Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to enable floating button on Oppo. So to use floating button, first you need to enable it. So let's check it how to enable it. First you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to accessibility and convenience. From here you will see floating window option, tap on it, and from here you can select the controls. The first is gesture and the second is button. I will prefer button. So after enabling it, how to use it? So let's say I am running YouTube at my background. So here you will see three dots. You need to just tap on it, and from here you will see floating window option. Tap on it, and as you can see, my floating window is now enabled. As you can see, it is working very smoothly without any kind of lag. Secondly, I can adjust it anywhere and then use my mobile. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.